Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I'm doing my January wrap up. It is going to be the shortest wrap up I've ever done because I only read 3 books and I need a rest. That's the best explanation for the only reading 3 books, even though some of these books were big books. So I did not read anything. Well, I didn't finish anything in the last week and a half. I literally took 2 days off at first to rest, sleep, and then I did a lot of writing. But I did most of it just in my bed. Literally, it was a good break because the previous month I read 12 books and recorded 31 videos, and I didn't really take any time to just relax and take a break and not do anything. So that's what I did so that I can gear up for this month, which is February now. And I'm excited for February because I am reading already. Like, I almost finished a book already and it's the first day of February. So yeah. Anyway, so I am going to just give a brief thoughts on these books because I did a full review of each of them, had their own reading vlog where I went in depth. So this is just going to be a quick one. And here we go. So I did read Mr. Loverman. Y'all, every time I pick this book up, I want to sing the song. Mr. Lover. Ooh. Shabba. I enjoy this. This is a download kind of storyline that could have went completely sour, but it gave me that sense of where no one really lost, but each character somewhat gained something from the truth coming out, from living their truth and exploring things that they didn't get to do. And you know, it could be a very wrong outcome, being in that, you know, they were together for freaking 50 years. But I love the ending. I love how the storyline go. It was very authentic as a Caribbean characters. And so I enjoyed it. So I definitely recommend it. It was a good read. I laughed a few times. I smiled. I had moments where I was frustrated in the beginning, but then I liked the direction she took that really got me out of that and made me think of the characters more and the storyline in a positive way. So this is a must read. Highly recommend it. So yeah. Then I went to the classic and then got Rebecca. Now Rebecca was a clever dead woman. That's the best way to put it. This is a story about a man who ultimately married after 10 months after his wife died, 10 months after his wife died. And the new wife is where the story surrounds. Is her getting into this household where she is still haunted by the previous wife, that, you know, the relationship that the previous wife had with the people that work in the house, people in the community, things that's happening. But there's like some secret was revealed by the husband, and when you get to the secret, there's certain things you think about. Because I had a discussion with Didi from Brown Girl, really, because she read this a month prior to me, and there is that whole idea where you think about how the female character, where was she gonna go, that kind of deal, when secret was revealed, or what is expected of her, being, you know, she had nothing. She was working as a companion for a woman, no family, no ties to anything. So she was gonna, you know, fight for belonging. Maybe not the best belonging, but she was gonna do that. This is a really good discussion book because of how it brings up women in the that time period and choices that these women made. But I would say Rebecca was very clever. That was the MVP in this book. How the secret was revealed, there's a certain part towards the end where I was, you know, you read and thinking this is happening, and it's something totally different. But it was one of those like, oh, Rebecca, all right. You know, and I enjoy this. It is a classic that is worth reading. It is a gothic classic, so it's very eerie in how she writes and give you the feel for the town, for the house, being by the shore. It was the writing in this is what really drew me in, and I really like Daphne did more writing. She was really good. Then I picked up another book that completely surprised me, took me out of my element, and I absolutely enjoyed it, and that was Remembrance. And this is a story that take place from Haiti to Louisiana to Ohio. It brings characters together with this purpose of their mission to protect. And it surrounds slavery. It surrounds this idea of this woman who created this world for people to escape slavery and protect them. And when the wall crumbles and the outside comes in, her strength is tested. And who is next in line to continue this mission is where the story is taking place for all these characters. There's 4 main characters in this, and it's done in a way where I thought the transition was nice, where she's going back and forth from the 1700s to the 1800s to the present time. I was definitely loving this. There was some action-packed moments towards the end. The magical realism makes sense in this. It wasn't so overpowering where you get lost in what is really happening. I like that. Now there is one character that at the end where becomes the next person line, and part of her stories I wish I wanted a little bit more in that part, but for the most part this was a journey. This book put me on a journey. This book made me think about a lot of things, the emotional connection and the scars that some slaves may have experienced and had to move on, and how do they move on and become a better them and not be scarred by all the bad things that happened to them. So you think of so many things in this, and I thought this was a good book, a definitely out of the box book. It is not a book I think everybody's going to love because of the magical realism part, but I think the message in this is worth the read, and and a great way to analyze a lot of things that she was able to put in this story that it makes you think. It's very thought-provoking. That's the best way I can put it. So I definitely enjoyed this, and I am looking forward to other books that she may write. Rita Woods. That's a yes. So that's it, guys. My 3 books. Wish me luck in this month that I can do 8 and continue on to make up for this month, because girl got goals. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.